Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this cute top I'm putting on right now. If you can't see it, then I can't help you. Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm very excited because I'm excited. I really don't have a reason why I'm excited. I'm just excited because I think it's because I'm making this video for you guys. You guys mean so much to me. Thank you very much for subscribing, liking my videos, sharing them and all of that good stuff. If you're new here, my name is Silem. Pleased to meet you. Please consider subscribing. I make tutorials where I show you how to make outfits with and without sewing. So if it's something you're interested in, then consider subscribing down below and press the notification bell right beside the subscribe button so you're notified whenever I post a new video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this beautiful top I'm putting on right now. It is very cute, very chic. I love the fabric I used to make this top. I love how easy it is to make the top, and yeah, I really love this top. I do. The fabric I used to make this top is called a lycra fabric. Now it is a self-finished fabric, meaning that it does not fray, but it is not a solid fabric. So the right side and the wrong side are clearly different. So this is the wrong side and this is the right side. As you can see, they're two different things. So it is not a solid fabric, but it is, however, a self-finished fabric. If you want to see how I make this top without sewing, then please keep watching.
I'm going to show you guys two ways to make two open back tops. For the first one, the width is 40 inches and the length is 23 inches. Now what I'm going to do is fold the fabric in half. Just fold it. And then I'm going to measure from the left side 5 inches from the left side, and then from the top I'm going to measure 2 inches. I'm going to repeat that 2 inches measurement all the way up until I get to the 5-inch mark that I previously marked. And now I'm just going to trim that line created, or cut that line rather. And there you have it. This is how to make the first open back top, and I'll tell you guys the difference between the two tops in a minute. But this is how to wear the first one. You simply wrap or tie that those bands created tie those bands on your neck. I'm stammering, guys. And then you just have to use a belt for this one, and just to get all of that fabric in one place basically. And this is what it looks like. See that, guys? Very cute, very pretty. I really love this fabric. It's very summery. I love this fabric, I do. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. Yes, it's so beautiful. I really like it. Yeah. Now the second top I'm going to show you how to make is similar to this one, but there's just a few differences between them. So I decided to show you guys both of them in this video.
Show you guys how to make this beautiful top I'm putting on. It's a turtleneck open back top. This fabric I used for this top is a lycra fabric. It is self-finished, meaning that it does not fray, and it's also a solid fabric, meaning that the right side and the wrong side are completely identical. So if you want to see how I made this beautiful turtleneck open back top, then please keep watching.
Now for the second one, the width is 40 inches, while the length of the top of the fabric rather is 27 inches. Now I'm going to fold the fabric in half, just like I did for the first one. I'm going to fold the fabric in half. And then from the left side, I'm going to mark 4 inches. And then from the top, I'm going to mark 2 inches. I'm going to repeat that 2 inches mark up until I get to that 4-inch mark I previously marked. I'm going to cut along that line, just like I did with the first one as well. Having done that, what I'm going to do next is from the bottom right corner, I'm just going to cut a diagonal line to meet the other line I had previously cut. That will give me like a triangular shape that I'll visually cut out. And then from the bottom and left corner, I'm just cutting a curved line to meet the diagonal line. Diagonal. Yeah, but that's what we have once we've done that. And opening this up, this is what we have. I'm going to show you guys how to wear this one as well. So just like the first one, simply take the bands and tie them around your neck. Just a cute bow would do. And then you also need a belt for this one as well. So just put the belt around your waist. Yeah. Now the main difference between the two of them is that for this one, the back is completely open, unlike the other one. And this one, the neck is more of a turtleneck, more of a turtleneck than the other one. So you can see those are the two major differences. So which of these tops is your favorite? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.